How to increase or decrease font size in Wikipedia account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Then tap on the search bar. Over here, you want to search for Wikipedia. Then tap on the install button. Once you tap on it, it is automatically going to be downloaded and installed on your device. Once installed, tap on the Open option. Now on the home page, you want to tap on the Search Wikipedia option. Then you can search for any topic you want. Tap and open any article that you want to read about. Now, in case you want to change the font size of your Wikipedia page, you want to tap on the option of theme at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on this option, you're going to find several options here. Now, as you can see, there is a T option here. You simply want to drag this slider, and as you do, you can see the fonts are decreasing and increasing. If you want to increase the font size, you want to swipe it to the right-hand side. Or if you want to decrease the font, you want to slide it to the left-hand side. And as you can see, the font size has now been increased and decreased as per your wish. And this is how you can increase or decrease font size in the Wikipedia account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.